Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Churches Teaches. Today we'll be learning how to make this Ankara purse using jute fabric and Ankara fabric. If this sounds like something you're interested in, keep watching and let's get started. The Ankara fabric will be serving as the flap for this purse, and I cut out two pieces for this. One will serve as the lining and one will serve as the main front. The jute fabric will be the main body of the purse. The length I cut out for this is 16 inches and the width is 9 inches. The measurement for the flap, the same width I cut out for the main body of this purse is the same width I cut out for the flap, which is 9 inches, but the length is different. So the length I cut out for the flap is 7.5 inches. So the next step I'm going to take now is to fold this part of the flap which I added interfacing to it. I'm just going to create a curve on the flap. Once I'm done with the curving, I'm going to get the lining for this flap. I'll face both right face facing right face, go right on my sewing machine and stitch, cut off the excess allowance, turn it inside out. After turning it inside out, I'm going to use my pressing iron to press it down and trim the upper part of the flap.